Steve. Hope you're doing awesome today. We're going to learn 5 of Journey's most famous hits really fast, probably under 10 minutes. These are all super fun songs to play. Very easy. For the most part, I'm going to do, beginner to intermediate level chord playing right here. The only licks is probably that one, maybe one other one, but for the most part, easy chords to learn. So these are classics. That was Any Way You Want It. And I've got 4 more lined up. Let's just count them down. So let's begin with Any Way You Want It in G major right here, and I'll show you that intro first. Very cool. So G major, and a lot of the time we're going to put the B string on the 3rd fret as well. So instead of a normal G, you include that note right there. But let's do that note, that lick first. That's the 3rd fret of the A string, 2nd, 3rd, back to the 2nd, back to the 3rd, back to the 2nd, and now 3rd fret of the E string, the low E, and then go back to the 3rd of the A string, open D string, 2nd fret of the D string, open D, back to the 3rd fret of the A string, back to the 2nd fret, and you really quickly get into a G major and go. So all together. Very cool. And you hit the G major and start palm muting like that. Then you go to a D major. But what makes it cool is when you use your thumb on the 2nd fret right here, you're able to do this walk down from G to D like that. So. And then, what's cool, you walk it down by just releasing it and do an E minor. So there's that note again, that 3rd fret, 2nd, 3rd, 2nd, back to the G. And if you didn't even want to learn those notes, you don't have to, you can go. That was a C. Let me sing about the loving things. C. Those notes, of course, make the whole song, but anyway. So it's really the same chords over and over again. G, D with that thumb, E minor, C, G. So those are the whole chords and the whole thing right there. And if you can learn that fun little lick, then you're ready to go. All right, next one, we're going to put the capo on to the 5th fret. Normally you don't do a 5th fret capo, and we're going to do Wheel in the Sky. Now I'm not going to finger pick for this lesson, but it goes. Pretty cool. So A minor, and if you got an electric guitar, with some distortion on it, sounds really cool. I will finger pick for a second, but pretty cool. So A minor, and you pluck the, for the most part, or I use the pick, you hit the key notes are that 6th fret of the B string and the open A string. And you walk it up to the 7th fret of the A string and 8th fret of the B string, and then play a C major. So C major, take your pinky, put it back on the 8th fret of the B string, and back to the C major, and now a G major. Regular G major. But the key note right there is that one, the B string. And put it on the 6th fret, and pull it off to open again. So all together. Then it does it again. Everything's the exact same, but on that one I went to a G major like this with my pinky. Pinky on the 8th fret of the high E string, and then just sort of remove it and go like this. 10th fret, down to the 8th. Like that. 10th, 8th, a little pull off to the 8th fret, and then back in. That does that first part, then it goes to an F major. Pretty cool. So A minor, but you hit the open E string, hammer it on to the 8th fret, and then 8th fret of the A string, and pull it off like that. So the key note right there is probably the D string on the 7th fret, pulling off and hammering it back on. So pretty cool. So A minor, doing that kind of thing right there, and then he goes, winter is here, A minor, G, da-na-na, F major, A minor. Does it again. A minor. And then when it goes to the chorus, it goes, wheel in the sky. Same thing we did at the very beginning. Keeps on turning. G major, A minor, that little walk up to C major. Don't know where I'll be tomorrow, G major. Wheel in the sky, keeps on turning. And then he goes, for tomorrow. Very cool. And that part right there goes D major, but you put your thumb, like we did on the first song, thumb on the 7th fret to a G, down to an F major. So again, wheel in the sky keeps on turning. So D major, G, F, for tomorrow, A minor. And then, repeats that cycle throughout the whole song. That one's super fun to play. Love it with the capo. All right, let's take it to A major for Lovin, Touchin, Squeezin. Really fun little blues riff. Ready? It won't be long, yes, till you're alone. Very cool. So it's A major. Do some palm muting. Dun, 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 dun. So you're just jamming in A major like that. That note right there was the 7th fret of the D string, down to the 5th fret, and then 5th fret of the A string right there. You make me weak. You can do some regular blues like that. Check out my blues lessons video. And want to die. Cool little walk up there. That's the open A to the 2nd fret, 4th fret of the A string to D major. Your eyes. Very cool. So that part is a D major. You could just do blues. We said we'd try back to A major. But if you want to do that lick I just showed you, it's very cool. Open D string, 3rd fret, and hammered onto the 4th fret. And then 2nd fret of the G string, 4th fret of the G string, and back down to the D. We said we'd try. A major, Lovin, Touchin, E major, G major, Squeezin, G, A, down there now. Then it starts over. You may, whatever the next verse is. Ta-na-na-na. Same thing we did. And something else. A major, Touchin, E major, G, G, A. Okay, so here to get into the sort of chorus part, it's A major. You walk it down to the 4th fret of the E string, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, and that brings you to the F sharp minor. He's tearing you apart. So it goes. He's tearing you apart. A major, every day, F sharp minor, and you can do a reverse walk up. So you can do walk ups down, up, any way you want to through this whole part. He's tearing you apart. And then G, E. It won't be long, yes. So after that, E major, it goes. It's really a bar chord D, C, A, or just those notes. A, 5th fret of the A string, open A, 3rd fret of the A string, like that. So that's with a note, or you could do. It won't be long, yes, A major till you're alone. Same thing we just did. It hasn't been home, 'cause he's A major, E major, G. Then it goes back down to F sharp minor. There's that walk up to A major. He's tearing you apart. Does it over again. Oh girl, what can you say? 'Cause he's F major, F sharp minor, sorry. G major, touching another A major. And does it again. Now it's F sharp minor. Your turn, girl, to cry. G major. Then it goes na 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 na. That's basically A major. And it just cycles that part repeatedly until the slide guitar's coming in and the piano and everybody's singing. Okay, for the next one, let's do Lights. It's in D major, but at the very beginning, Neil Schon does that sweet little intro, probably on a Gibson Les Paul, a little bit harder to play on an acoustic. There. I'll show you how to play that in a second, but the chords are when the lights, D major, B minor, bar it like that, B minor, C major, D, B minor, on the bay, and you already got your finger right there on the C major, like that, so you go from the 1st fret to the 3rd fret, back to the 1st, back to the 3rd, back to the 1st, and I wanna be there. B minor, C, B minor, C, D major right there, and I sort of went, took off the top note and back down. Then it does it again, and when it goes into that mega, monster chorus, it's G, so that's B minor. You play it the way I do with your thumb. You can open up the open A string to go to the G, a little walk down to the G major, D major, with B minor, G major, D major, and that's pretty cool. Sorry, that's an A major right there. But you walk it up to the 1st fret of the A string and then to a B minor. So, A major, 1st fret of the A string to B minor, G, D major, B minor, C, D major. You can do a little walk up, open A, 2nd, 4th fret of the A string, D major when the lights, B minor, C again, does that over and over again. And then it does, repeats basically the same verse, even in the guitar solo. But that beginning part, it's really a D major bar chord, but you're starting up here on the 9th fret, 9th fret of the A string. And you're hitting the 7th fret of the D, G, and B strings right there. Hammering on right there to the G string, that's the 7th to the 9th fret and off. Then you play that B minor that we did down here, but now you're up here on this fret. And then you do that same hammer on or quick little pull off from the 9th to the 7th of the G string, then do it again. Now it goes to an A major, like that, an A major, but you're gonna bar it up here, and then it adds the finger onto the 7th fret of the G and back off to the 6th fret. So you're in the A major bar chord, then back up to the B minor bar chord, That's the same little 9th to the 7th pull off. And now you take basically the A major we did, but now it's a C major. So it's an F shape up here on the 8th fret. And hammer it off from the 10th to the 9th of the G string. And then you could go the D major again on the high E string, or it's like a version of a D major with an open D string. Right there, going from the 7th of the B string, 5th, and 7th of the G string right there. All right, so that's lights. That one's a lot of fun. All right, for the last one, we're gonna do separate ways in E major, E minor, I guess it is. Ready? Really sweet. So it's in E minor right here. It goes dun, dun. Palm mute just low right there on the E minor, the low notes. If you want to do that walk down, that's the 7th fret of the A string and the open E string, and go. Go down 2 frets. So now the A string's on the 5th fret. 3rd fret right there. Back up to the 5th. Back up to the 7th. 5th, and it does that the whole time. It goes dun, 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 dun. Now that goes from E minor to D. You can use your thumb right there on the low E string, 2nd fret if you want to, and then to C major. Dun. You can do a regular D major, but I just slid the C major up 2 frets. Either way, so it goes. So that was E minor, D, C, D, D, A minor. You can sort of walk it up again. A minor, up to that fret right there on the 2nd fret of the A string. C. So you went D, A minor, and then that little walk up, 2nd fret right there of the A string again, and you could do the 3rd fret of the G string. So that's this little walk up. To C major. What's cool is if you remove this finger from the C major, it really sounds like the song right there. So all together, I gave you the whole thing. Ready? Regular D if you want, A minor, that little walk up, and C major without that finger, and then someday E minor, D major, C major, A minor, and then D major, and now you add your finger on the 1st fret of the D string. That walks you back into the E minor. Right there on the D string, and back to E minor. And that part right there goes, it just keeps going on throughout that chorus, the chorus chords right there for the mega guitar solo at the end. That's it. Great song by Journey. So many great songs by Journey. Let me know what you think about these in the comments. I got through them pretty quickly, and I'd love to hear anything that I can do better. All right, catch you later.